Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us today. So today we're getting into the Christmas spirit. We're going to be creating a miniature Christmas spruce tree. But Christmas isn't Christmas without a tree, so this little miniature version is perfect if you're challenged for space. It'd make a really fabulous and fun table design, or you could decorate your mantelpiece, or actually could pop it into a guest's room to welcome them when they come over for Christmas. So in your ready to go kit, everything you need is as follows. So your ingredients are, only fresh item is actually the blue spruce, and then you have a wet foam cone, a container to pop that into, a Christmassy pick, some battery lights, but just bear in mind that the batteries don't come with it, so you will need to purchase those separately. And then we have some wires, some wired berries, and the only other essential that you'll need to bring is a pair of scissors, and I've just taken those from my floristry kit today. So enjoy! So thank you for watching. I hope that's inspired you to have a go at doing this yourselves. As always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip number one, you could actually make this up in advance, store it somewhere nice and cool and dark and keep it well watered until you need it for the big day. Top tip number two, I would recommend that you cut your spruce pieces up first before you start constructing, and then grade them into small, medium and large. Remove some of the pine cones or pine needles from the base so it's easy for the stem to actually go into the wet foam, and then start with the larger pieces first and then work up using the smaller pieces at the top. And then top tip number 3, you could actually personalise the tree with accessories. So visit our website, which is www.trianglenursery.co.uk, for lots of pre-made items that you can easily pop onto the tree. So we've got bows, and we've also got cinnamon, we've got rope, ribbons, dried fruits, raffia. The list is endless. So do go and give our website a look and choose what you would like to actually make this personalised for your Christmas day. And top tip number 4, obviously this is displayed with the lights on, and it's easier to actually work the design with the lights on because you can see where you're placing them. But to save batteries, obviously turn off the lights at night, and if you're storing it for a little while as well, turn them off. So that's easily achieved. You just lift the whole design up and switch them off, and pop the tree back in its little holder. And top tip number 5, this is fresh spruce that you're using, so get a water bottle with some fresh water in and just mist it every day, really, just keep it nice and fresh. Alright, so don't forget to go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. There's loads more top tips, hints and inspirational ideas, not only for all year round but for seasonal displays as well. And also don't forget to like us, share us, and do comment in the box below because we love to get your feedback. We look forward to seeing you again very soon, but for now it's goodbye. Bye.